show you how to build a gaming computer.
Alright, first thing you want to do whenever putting in the motherboard is to make sure these line up with your motherboard. Now for this next step, you want to pay close attention. When placing the CPU on the motherboard, you need to match the triangle with the triangle on the motherboard. Now for the RAM, you just want to match up the slots on the motherboard with the RAM. See, as I flip it around, it doesn't match up. So match up and place it in. Now, you want to start by wiring the computer from the back of the case.